it's done about 9,496 kilometers. Last service was almost at 4,400 something like that. So it's done about 5,000 kilometers, so I'll be getting it serviced. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back, and today I'll be getting my bike serviced. This is the third free service and it has done close to 5,000 kilometers. I actually didn't want to get it done here, but it's already like 5,000 kilometers, so I have to do it. I'll do share with you how much it costed and what was my experience. So I'll be going to the service station now. I have come to this authorized service center, which is in Nihal, in Outer Ring Road, and they're just giving me the estimate. I have come here to have my breakfast. So I've given my bike for servicing and I've just come here to have breakfast. उन्होंने estimate दिया है somewhere about पहले तो दिया था 1,500 something, but then I told I don't want wheel alignment. कुछ डाल दिया था wheel alignment and polishing, which I never asked for. तो मैंने बोला simple जो कंपनी का सर्विस है वो करके दो. So they have estimated somewhere about 1,100 something like that. So let's see how much it comes. ऑयल इन्होंने निकाल दिया है. अभी एयर फिल्टर क्लीन करने जा रहे हैं. So they have cleaned the air filter now. Now they are filling the new oil. This is the liquid gun oil from Royal Enfield and the capacity is about 2.3 liters. So 2.3 liters they'll be refilling it now. And this is where they ask you to wait. So guys, done with the servicing and this is what bill I got. So the bill is 1,134.90. This is a bill of my third service in Bangalore. So guys, that's it for now and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.